As a safety precaution, please be advised that the following instructions should only be conducted by an adult. The following instructional video is meant to assist customers with troubleshooting common problems that can occur with the paper shredder. If the shredder is showing no signs of power, first make sure that the unit is securely plugged into a working wall outlet. Try plugging in a lamp or other appliance to make sure that the outlet is working. The shredder has a thermal control protection feature, which will deactivate the shredder if the motor overheats. If you have been continuously shredding for an extended period of time, allow the shredder to cool for at least 30 minutes before continuing. Make sure the shredder is correctly seated onto the included wastebasket. Your shredder is equipped with a safety interlock mechanism that prevents the unit from working when the shredder head is lifted off the wastebasket. Located on the back center of your shredder head is a half-circle curvature that matches and fits over the back of the included wastebasket. If you are using a plastic bag to line the wastebasket, please remove it. This could be preventing the shredder from working. If your shredder will at least run in reverse, but not in auto, then you could be experiencing a paper jam. Please refer to the video, How to Clear a Paper Jam.